Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can use Whop to make money. So let's jump right in. Open your favorite browser and type Whop login into the search bar. Click on the official Whop website, and once you're there, go ahead and log in. I'm going to sign in using my Google account, which is the fastest and easiest method. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Whop dashboard. This is where all the action happens. From here, you can explore tons of ways to start making money, whether that's by selling digital products, joining affiliate programs, or using Whop's viral content monetization tools. Let's start with one of the easiest methods, creating your own product or membership to sell. Click on Start Selling or Create a Whop from the dashboard. You can list anything from Notion templates, guides, bots, digital downloads, or even access to a private community. Whop handles the payments, access delivery, and even gives you a free storefront. Now, if you don't have a product yet, no worries. You can still earn using Whop's content rewards program. This is where you take viral clips from popular creators in the Whop marketplace, repost them with your referral link, and earn money based on views or affiliate sales. You don't even need to show your face or record anything original. And here's another method: Whop affiliate marketing. Head over to the Whop marketplace, find offers that match your audience or niche, and grab your affiliate link. Share that link in your YouTube videos, TikToks, or social media bios, and whenever someone signs up through your link, you get a commission.